Ready to learn how to make an amazing PowerPoint presentation? Let's get started. To open PowerPoint, go to the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen. This button right here, and select All Programs. Then with your scroll bar, scroll down until you see the Microsoft Office folder. Click on that folder and then click on Microsoft PowerPoint. When PowerPoint opens, it's going to bring you to a blank title slide just like this page here. In the middle is your slide. To the left of your slide is the thumbnail pane, and what that is, each slide that you create, it's going to put a little mini version here in the slide pane as kind of like a little preview. Now let me introduce you to the ribbon menu, which is across the top of the page here. All of the different design options that PowerPoint provides you with are broken down into these different tabs running across the ribbon at the top of the page. I'm going to bring up a PowerPoint presentation so that I can show you how different items in the ribbon work. On the Home tab, if I click on some text here, you can see that it gives me some options with adding slides, layout options. It provides me with formatting options for my text, such as bolding or changing a font or the color of my text. It will also give me alignment options here, or I can add bullet points to my presentation or a numbering sequence. I can indent my text or take it back to its original position. It will also give me various shapes that I can use to add to my presentation, colors, outlines, effects, and also find and replace options. The Insert tab provides you with various options that can be inserted onto your slide, such as a table or a picture, clip art, photo album, shapes and charts, a text box, even the date and time, and video and audio clips. On the Design tab is where you can decide how you want your page to be set up, if you want it to be a portrait or a landscape, the different themes that are available to add visual impact and interest to your slide, a color palette, as well as other fonts and effects. The Transition tab provides you with different types of transitions that you can apply to your slides so that as you're going through your presentation and moving from slide to slide, it will create some visual interest. So let me give you a preview of how that works. I'm going to go down a few slides here and do a preview for you. Those are just a couple of the transitions that are available. As you can see, there's quite a few in here, and they're a lot of fun to try out. And to do that, all you would do is just click on it, and it will give you a preview of how that is going to transition your slide. Under the Animation tab, you can animate text or images, pictures. For example, I'm going to go back to our first slide, and I've built in an animation for the cruise boat here. And if I can get you to watch the boat for me, I'm going to click on the preview button and let you see how that animation works. In an upcoming video, I'll be showing you how I added that animation to this slide. The Slideshow tab allows you to preview your presentation and see it just like your audience is going to see it when you present it. And this will also be the mode that you will use whenever you're presenting to your audience. So to give you a quick preview, I'm going to click from Current Slide. And as I'm clicking on the screen, or you can click with the arrow buttons at the bottom. It's previewing so far how your presentation is transitioning in and opening up for your audience to see. The Review tab has some great features that allows us to proof or check our document with tools such as spell check that will check and make sure the words that we've used in our presentation are spelled correctly. There's also a research tool that provides a search through dictionaries and encyclopedias, as well as a translation and language option. Under the View tab, it allows us to view our presentation in different ways, from normal view as we're seeing here, to the slide sorter view, which I'll cover in a later video that will show you how you can move your slides into different places and change up your presentation, as well as a notes page and a reading view. I'm going to return to our normal view and go back to our home tab, and that's just a quick preview of the ribbon menu and all the different incredible design functions that are built into PowerPoint to allow you to create an incredible presentation.